Welcome back friends. In this video I am going to show you how exactly I have traded the budget day. You can remember just before the budget day I have actually released a video. In that video I have shown you two techniques to trade the volatile markets like a union budget. And this video is a follow-up video of the first, and here I will show you how exactly I have traded, how exactly I have spotted the trades, and how exactly you can actually mix and match a daily chart and the intraday chart to increase your accuracy a lot. So if you have not traded the budget day, or if you have not seen my previous video, first I will suggest you to watch the previous video. You can go through my channel and you can visit the previous video, because if you do not see the previous video you will not be able to understand how to trade a volatile markets. And once you have seen that video, now I am going to show you how exactly I have traded the budget day using a daily chart and the intraday chart, and what was the profit potential of that particular day.
But before that, let me give you a short intro of mine. Hello friends, I am Indrajit Mukherjee from stockmaniacs.net. If you want to grow your wealth from the stock and commodity markets, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification icon. You can also send me your stock market related queries through WhatsApp in my number +91 96743 21856.
So friends, I have actually used a double chart in Zerodha Kite. The first chart was a daily chart, and I have drawn a few trend lines on the daily chart to check whether the market is breaking out or breaking down. And the second chart that I have used side by side was a line break chart. So using these two combinations, I could increase my accuracy a lot, and I will show you live examples. It is a live recording of the budget market, and this is first time someone is showing you in India in YouTube. So let us check the live examples. So friends, you can see here I have used two charts side by side. The left side chart is a daily chart of Nifty index, and the right side chart is the 1 minute 6 line break charts of the Nifty index. So the daily chart will give me an idea how the Nifty is doing on a larger perspective, and the intraday charts will give me opportunities to enter the trade or exit the trade. So I am seeing the larger picture, and I am going to follow the intraday charts according to the larger picture. So I am not actually counter trading the larger picture. So here in the larger picture you can see I have drawn two trend lines, and these two trend lines, actually you can see the previous day itself Nifty has broken a trend line, and on the early morning trades you can see here Nifty has taken support on the other trend line, and then Nifty has taken resistance on the previous day's trend line. So there is high chance that Nifty will also breach the second trend line on the downside. So I was expecting a downside fall, because previous day Nifty has broken a trend line, Nifty has broken a trend line support, and next morning exactly Nifty has taken resistance at that trend line, previous day's trend line. So previously it was support, now it has become resistance, and then it has taken support on the next trend line. So there was high chance that in the budget day it is full of news, so Nifty will breach the second trend line also. So let us check how Nifty performed on the intraday. You can see this is a live recording of the budget day market. The market is moving, and I will now demonstrate how exactly I have taken my trades. Here you can see the budget speech started. So you can see previously the market was in a weak uptrend. The line break charts were actually printing green bars. You can see this is the 11 AM bar. So now once the budget speech starts, so you can see the first red candle has appeared. That was around 11:26 AM, and the value of that close was around 11,970. So there you can enter a short trade. You can see from 11,970 the market has actually fallen a lot till 11,922 or 20 levels. And you can see in between there were many times whipsaws coming in the charts, but as this is a 6-line break chart, you can see still all those whipsaws were actually ultimately vanished and the market continued the downtrend. So from 11,970 to 11,920 odd levels, there was a 50 points downside in the first trade. Then a upside move came, and that was a whipsaw. That was a small whipsaw. So the up move has closed at around 11,955 level, and the signal has reversed once again at 11,921. So you can see, if you have traded both the trades close to close basis, so first trade 11,970, that has been closed at 11,960, say, so only 10 points profit. Next trade, there was a long trade, so long trade triggered around 11,955, then it has been closed at 11,925 level. So there was a loss of 30 points. So you can see first trade only 10 points profit, second trade is a loss of 30 points. So there is a net loss of 20 points after two trades. Then there was a short trade triggered on the downside, and the value was around 11,925. That short actually moved havoc. It has made a low of around 11,735. So almost 130 points there was a move. And if you have traded close to close, it was around 11,819. So 11,920 to 11,820. So that was a 100 points move. And by that time, this second long triggered, the budget speech has actually over. So the trade was also over. You should not trade after the budget speech. So you can see, as we have a notion that the market will break down on the downside, we can also filter out some long trades. So you can easily filter out these long trades if you have an idea which side the market will actually go. Friends, actually in intraday no trend is generated. The intraday chart will actually follow the daily trends. So as we were sure that the market is going to break down on the downside, we have not taken this long trade. Rather, we have taken short trade, exited, short trade, exited, and so on. So you can see, friends, you can trade a volatile market like a budget day. You can see there are many times whipsaws came, there were big spikes on the both sides, but still you are not stopped out, you are not exited by the trade if you are using these kind of charts like line break charts. So you can use the same technique on any kind of volatile markets, like there are any times any news coming like RBI data or something like that, you can use the same technique, or you can use the same technique in commodity markets also on the inventory days. So friends, I have shown you how you can use two charts, like one is a daily chart, another one is an intraday chart, and you can use my techniques to trade a highly volatile market and still be profitable. You need to have an idea where the daily market will go, and then only you can trade the intraday charts, and you can do your entry or exit based on the intraday charts. But you should have an idea what the daily market is doing, because the daily trend is your main trend. So friends, if you have any queries on this subject, do not forget to comment below this video, and do not forget to share this video with your friends or relatives. If you have liked this video, do not also forget to hit the like button. So friends, thanks a lot for watching this video till end. Bye bye.